Hello, I'm Katie Rushton, your vehicle sourcing and leasing specialist. Today we're going to bust a myth regarding contract hire. So popular misconception is that you will be charged an extortionate amount once the vehicle is returned to the finance company at the end. However, this simply isn't the case. What generally happens is, providing the vehicle has been well maintained, well looked after and kept within the mileage limits, there shouldn't be any additional charges. The British Vehicle Rental and Leasing Association, also known as the BVRLA, actually produced a document called a Fair Wear and Tear Guide. This means that each supplier has to adhere to the terms that are in that guide. What this actually means for you is, if there's a minor scuff or dent or curbed alloy on the vehicle, as long as it fits within the size parameters set by the BVRLA's Fair Wear and Tear Guide, you shouldn't be recharged for it. If, however, there's major damage to the exterior of the vehicle, there's a bumper falling off, there's an entire wheel scuff, it's only fair that the finance company can recharge you for any repairs that are made. To avoid any of these unexpected charges, it's really important that you understand your lease agreement. This also means that the vehicle needs to be serviced and maintained in line with the manufacturer's recommendations. When it comes to handing back your vehicle, I'll give you a little tip. Make sure that you document and take pictures of anything that's on the exterior of the vehicle, no matter how big or small. Any alloy wheel scuffs, any stone chips, any dents, take the pictures. If you do receive a bill that you feel is unreasonable, you now have the images to be able to challenge this. Sometimes the finance companies do actually overturn these bills or they revise them. I'm Katie, I'm your vehicle sourcing and leasing specialist. Contact me if you need any more information.